Hey, welcome back to another video of eTakes. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Character AI for storytelling. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI. Now, you can design unique characters, develop characters with distinct personalities, motivation, and backstories. This character can help move your story forward in an interesting way. You can create a heroic knight on a quest, a mysterious wizard, or a rogue thief, each with their own desire and conflict that contribute to the plot. Designed by describing the settings for the story, you can create a world or specific location that a character is part of. Use character-to-character conversation to advance the plot. Character can discuss important events, share secrets, or interact in a way that pushes the narrative forward. Direct the course of the story by offering a specific prompt to the AI. You can introduce obstacles for the character to overcome. Conflict is essential for any engaging story. Develop emotional arc through the character actions and dialogues. Character in your story should grow and change, creating investment in the narrative. For a richer experience, describe the surrounding where the story takes place, allowing the AI to enhance the narrative with atmospheric details. Some of the tips are to be specific in your prompts. The more detailed your instruction, the better the AI will craft the story. You can shift the mood or tone of the story by adjusting the type of language and character behavior. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.